Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL. Tonight, we're going to kick it off talking about Lasco Distributors Limited dividend consideration by their board of directors. Advisory here by Lasco Distributors that the board is scheduled to meet May 25th to consider an interim dividend. Now, one of the hottest stocks on the market, EduFocal Limited, better known as Learn, traded in their shares. Talk about those capital gains, whether they're unrealized or minority shareholders have realized some, but talk about that share price post-IPO. They just did their deal as well. In this case here, a director purchasing 29,000 shares, skin in the game. It's the type of confidence you want to see, still in a young company, newly listed company on the JSE and the market overall. Transaction happened or trade happened May 18th. Now, Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited, notice of their AGM, annual general meeting, coming up, one of the most hotly watched AGMs to come into the market. The AGM is going to be held May 27th, 2022 at 3 p.m. at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Now, Barita Investments Limited traded in their shares as well. A senior manager of BIL or Bill, that's the ticker symbol, has acquired a total of just under 80,000 shares of the Barita's ESOP program, employee share ownership program. It's a good move there. You see a couple of companies on the JSE do that. Grace Kennedy in particular. Happened on May 16th, 2022. Last up tonight, ISP Finance Services Limited, one of the leading microfinance companies listed on the JSE. You got Access Financial, you got ISP. Loan book hits 679 million Jamaican. Now, ISP financial results for the first quarter here ended March 31st, 2022. Net profit was lower for the quarter, 8.95 million versus 12.7 million Jamaican in the previous year's quarter. The allowances for credit losses are really what's been eating up the profits for the last quarter or two. EPS, earnings per share, for the quarter March 31st was 8.5 cents Jamaican per share, lower than the previous year's 12.2 cents. And as we mentioned, loans net of provisions for credit losses closed the quarter at Jamaican 679.4 million, a nice number there, and they still have cash and cash equivalents of just under 55 million, so the loan book clearly can go higher for the quarter after this or the second quarter. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a fantastic evening. This is Business Live.